What's up guys, Biker Dave here at Golf Cars of Woodstock in Woodstock, Georgia, about a half hour north of Atlanta. We are an authorized Denago club car and Star golf cart dealer. See our social media links underneath in the description of this video. If you're installing the lighting on your Denago Rover, just a few tips for you. Make sure your hands are very clean before starting the job. I use contact cleaner or brake cleaner on a soft cloth and clean off everywhere you're going to apply the lighting to. Make sure you clean it off thoroughly and let it dry. But underneath, to give the lights a little bit better security, I guess you could say, you know, so that they'll stay put better, I use some zip ties every couple of feet. Like you see, you get a zip tie coming out the corner right there. And maybe every 2 feet or so, some sort of easy little zip tie wrapping around the railing of the frame that, see, I've got these secured to. And make sure you clean off that surface as well with contact cleaner or brake cleaner on a soft cloth before you start the application of the lights. But yeah, a little bit of zip tie every 10 or 12 inches, or whatever, 24 inches is probably fine. And I think that will help them stay in place. I got other videos about doing this job. It's not very difficult. Make sure yours has the wiring harness connector right there. If yours does not, you may want to contact your Denago dealer and say, what the heck? Because yours was probably built on September 5th, 2024. And if that's the case, whoever was on the job that day did not do their job because they did not install the wiring harness that goes down this strut and comes out here. They probably also didn't install the 2 relays that are under that seat right there. So talk to your authorized dealer and say, hey, this is a 2025 model. I should have the ability to install the upper LED lighting that works with the OEM screen. Notice right here under car body, right there, you got the ceiling switch and the bottom switch all right there. But if you don't have those relays installed here, it will not work with that setup. Anyway, yeah, check out our videos. We got all kinds of stuff about Denagos, club cars, Easy-Goes, Star, and other golf carts, as well as all kinds of stuff on the channel. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks. It's a donation button. You'll see it under the video screen. We appreciate any and all donations for the work we do, because YouTube is completely free, but doing helpful videos is priceless. Y'all have a great day.